good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to present a melodrama, the title Whisper of Betrayal. So, before we start, let me redefine what melodrama is. So, melodrama is characterized through exaggerated emotions, heightened conflicts, and dramatic situations. The narrative unfolds with intense scenes of betrayal, heartbreak, and confrontation, creating a theatrical and emotionally charged atmosphere. Now let me introduce the cast, starting with Jerome Peneverde portrays David, a character who betrays his partner Emily by having a secret relationship with Isabel, cousin of Emily. Shine off, takes on the role of Emily, who experiences heartbreak and betrayal when she discovers David infidelity with her cousin Isabel. Jezebel Varanya as Isabel, Emily's cousin who get involved with the deal. Rowan Tarta portrays Mark, David's friend, to give advice and remind him to take responsibility for his actions and helping him navigate the consequences. Marjorie de la Costa as Sarah, Emily's friend who's there to support her during tough times, offering advice and encouraging her to be strong. Tyler Joy Levios as the crazy commentators, the one who talks about the consequences of cheating, giving advice to avoid being a part of messy affairs, emphasizing the importance of respecting relationships. And me, Rizal Padrisco, as the director of the melodrama. And for the overview of our melodrama plot, this melodramatic story portrays Emily by maintaining a secret relationship with cousin Isabel. The revelation leads to a heated confrontation between Emily and her, resulting in Emily deciding to end the relationship. Seeking solace, Emily confines in her friend Sarah, while the mandatory friend marks her advice. In a later scene, Isabel unknowingly faces Emily Rock, leading to a tense confrontation with Isabel claims for forgiveness. Throughout themes of betrayal, heartbreak, and support of friends, play a significant role in the character's emotional journeys. So without a further ado, let's start.
CR naman ko ha. Hindi na kasi ako eh.
Sige, pero dalian mo lang ha. Mimiss kita. Ano to? Anong ibig sabihin nito, David?
Huwag mo baka naman yan. Akin na yan.
Di ba nag-usap na tayo? Bakit may connection pa rin kayo ni Isabel?
Kasalanan mo to.
Sinunod ko?
Oo, kasalanan mo. Palagi ka na lang walang oras sa akin.
Paliwala na wala ko sa'yo. May pangako natin para sa isa't isa, David. Tatapin mo na lang basta-basta. Kung gano'n,
I'm sorry, Emily. I will take you sa ka. Please don't leave me. Kaya gagawin ko. Please stay with me.
bitawan mo!
Emily!
You deserve so much better, Emily. Kaya mo yan. Malalampasan mo din yan. Nandito lang ako. Para sa'yo. Ano? Masyadong masakit! Di ko lubos na isip na magagawa niyo sa akin yun. At sa pinsan ko ba talaga? Galing din siya.
nangyari, kailangan ko panindigan at tanggapin ang lahat. Pero, humingi ka pa rin ng tawad at kung sakaling hindi kayo magkaalis, kailangan mo lang tanggapin ang nangyari.
Amen.
Uy, Emily, kamusta ka na?
Ang pala na mukha mo mga gusta!
Ulit, hindi naka-record.
Alam ko lang naman ni Isabel! Yun, alam mo na? Di ba, nakita ko? Alam ko mahirap ipaliwanag pero mahal ko si Gabi! Mahal! Alam mo ka ba, Isabel? Nag-iisip ka ba? Sorry, Emily. Please, patawarin mo ako. Sorry. Ano magagawa ni sorry mo? Wala ka na lahat ng sakit na nararamdaman ng puso ko! Di ba hindi, Isabel? Hindi! Sorry, Emily, please! May mali mo sa akin!
We need an explanation. We need an answer to our reason. Napumapay na maging kapit ng mga lalaki. Respect yourself. Totoo ang karma. Hindi mo ito matatagpuan, matatakasan, o maiiwasan. Laging nandiyan yan.
And boys, just the very one dance and give them love.
Alam mo, gusto ni mo, David.
Sorry, I mean, I don't deserve all of this. It's all my fault. We are now going to this Melodrama emphasizes the importance of being true in relationship. Our relationship with consistency, integrity, and time. Even though sometimes you felt alone or lack of something, it showcases that every actions have consequences, whether bad or good. Furthermore, this scenario often happen on reality due to desire for constant attention and joyful relationship
People may not be content with what they have in life. Once they felt alone or lack something, they hardly do something just to fulfill those gaps without considering their action and the consequences. Facing and conquering loneliness, sadness, and problems is better than without restraint. Because if the person overcome the problems of, of any struggles of life, they become tough and resilient. So in essence, having this melodrama shows that having an affair with someone else could lead to a calamity that could destroy, that capable of destroying relationship. Therefore, it's crucial to be mindful for every actions, not just only in the relationship, but also in various aspects.